Let's see what's in the goodie box. What do we have in here? Oh, there's different stuff in there. Nice. Okay. Okay. I forgot about that. Never know what I have. I always forget. Oh, watching that stuff. Okay. Silent Rage, another TK, and I think all shells down there. Let's check it out. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, we got shells, we got shells. We got some hot dogs. We got the good ones. These are the good ones. Oh, got the new ones. The dude hooked that up. Nice. Got some more of the good ones. Oh, got some more of them good ones. Killing it. Oh, got some more of them good ones.